Welcome. In today's video, we're going to explore how to change Instagram accounts on your Android device. Whether you're juggling multiple profiles for personal use, business, or content creation, switching accounts is a breeze once you know how. Let's get started with the updated steps to make this process smooth and easy. Step 1. Open the Instagram app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to start from. Step 2. Go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you directly to your personal space on Instagram. Step 3. Now, tap your username at the top of the screen. This is where you can see all the accounts linked to your Instagram app. Step 4. Finally, select the account you want to switch to from the drop-down menu. Just a tap, and you're in, and that's it. You've successfully changed accounts on Instagram. It's really that simple. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on mastering your social media experience. Thanks for watching.